Hey guys, Zar here. Hope all is well. Watching very closely right now, looking for a potential sell. You see this rejection here? I like the look of this, and so I'm looking for a short right now on the break below here. Break below the prior candle. Got a little tiny upper wick there, and that's okay. Risking 25 to make 35. Sell stop order right there. 30-minute chart. Just going over to my own platform, making sure my brackets are set up. And they are. Here we go. Good. I would like actually a more of a top wick here would be really perfect. And then to flip down, that would make me even happier. But for now, we'll wait. Just to give you a little more perspective, let's go out to the main trading grid. You will see this rejection, as I mentioned, at this resistance zone here. I'm going to shift my zone up just a little bit. You see that there? Refreshing and renewing my zones. This comes from yesterday, just after mid-New York. And then again this morning during Europe. And of course, we're still during Europe now. It's 7:33. We're 2 hours away from New York Open still. The daily broke yesterday's high, but has now dropped back into range again. And so that's looking more neutral to bearish, if anything. Now, of course, it's a bullish candle color. It is a white candle. But because of this resistance zonage that we have here, not a real word, I'm feeling like it makes sense to toss the coin and call heads on a short if we break below the 30-minute candle and not before. This is the 5-minute on the right hand side. I'll often use a 3-minute, 2-minute, or 1-minute here as well. This morning, because we're not even into the New York session, you'll see that the 1-minute is very choppy. You see that there? Because this is the futures contract, of course, and the US markets are not even open. So I'm going to stay with the 5-minute for now. Just keep it nice and clean. Copy, paste the marker, give you a good idea of what I'm looking at, and now we wait. This is a live order, guys. If prices drop below that white line right there, I will be triggered in to a sell. Here we go. Quiet time of the day. No big news here this morning. Just double check that. And I'm in, guys. Just got triggered in right there. You see it? I'm now short. So no news until 8:30. 8:30 we get continuous jobless claims and initial jobless claims, as well as the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index and so on. Not major, those are medium impact news items, but certainly be watching them. Okay, so for your sake, guys, I'm just going to, because it's so quiet here, I'm just going to put you on pause and I'll bring you back as the trade matures. All right, here we go. Pause. And starting to drive down here a little bit, guys. Watching this reversal play out. This is a zone reversal trade, by the way. Zone reversal, again, rejecting on the daily from yesterday's high. Made a little penetration and then flipped around. And of course, rejecting from resistance on the 30-minute chart, breaking the prior candle's low right there. That was the entry, and you see it here on the 5-minute chart as well. Hopefully that makes sense. We'll keep watching this together. Oops. And back on pause for now, guys. And just hit a new low for the move, but still just kind of sitting around. It is 7:45 a.m., kind of a sluggish time. And then we have these issues over here to contend with, and of course, my hope is that price action will be able to make its way past the participants who are sitting here or who have been sitting here defending this area. Right in through here. We'll see if we can do that. Let me just shift this marker over to the actual entry, which is right there. Just being patient. I'll put you back on pause for now. And we're back, guys, driving down here. As talked about, struggling to get through this little area right here, but we'll see if we can accomplish this. 8:06 a.m. Maybe we'll get some more volume in here in a moment. Watching it together. I think what I'll do, first of all, get rid of this these markers to keep it nice and clean. I'm going to tighten my stop to 12 points. I'm also going to tighten my target to 30 points to see if we can get beyond this area here. It is a slow time. We're now entering what I call the pre-New York session. It's within an hour to an hour and a half of the open of New York, and things get a little funny during that time. And so since this trade has taken so long, these are 5-minute candles, by the way, I'm going to try to get out of this with 30 points here just to kind of pierce this area here, which we've done already. Just do it one more time to get those 30 points and then and be done with this. 472 is the target, 33,472. Just moving my own brackets here. And tighten that stop. I'm just over on my own platform here. For those who are new, most people know the way this works. Those who of course who have been here for a while on the channel. The channel's only been around since October, and I think doing remarkably well thanks to you and your support, your kindness and generosity, and spending your time with me. I really appreciate it. It's just an old guy here, new to social media, new to Telegram, new to Twitter, new to YouTube, all at the same time, October. It's been a few months now, and just been blown away by the support and the warm reception this old guy has received from the world of social media, something that was relatively, well, very new to me in October, November. Just watching now, guys, see if this will work. Just hoping it'll work. It's kind of a simplistic way to look at it after 35 years plus of active trading. Hoping this will work. If you watch my other videos, you'll know that I'm actually very serious about my trading and in the mental game, and so I'm kind of speaking in very silly, simplistic terms this morning. I think just because possibly of boredom and sleep deprivation, who knows. All right, I'll put you on pause for now, guys, and so you can avoid the sideways grind. Well, here we go. Maybe we'll get a flip here. Just getting a sense right now. We'll see. I do, by the way, watch the Three Sisters at the same time. See that flipping? Hopefully that'll continue. Here are the Three Sisters. This is what I'm looking at here, the Dow and the S&P and the NASDAQ. I'm looking for this to break just below that, and that will be the target. But it is struggling right now. Copy and paste right there. Just want to make sure I have the same marker on the 30-minute chart as I do on the 5. And I do, so that's good. Here are the sisters again. NASDAQ is not cooperating. It's rallying here a little bit. This is the Dow, the one that I'm short. There's the marker. I just pasted over from the other one. You can see we're about to hopefully hit target here. We'll see. Looking for those 30 points now. Tightening my stop again. Patience now. 11 minutes after 8. Would you be this patient in this trade? Amateur trader would be taking profits now just to stop the pain, just to get it over with and get out. Unfortunately, in the long term, the math doesn't work if you keep doing that. It feels right in the moment. It saves your self-esteem. It allows you to have a win under your belt. You start the day with a win if this is your first trade, and it is my first trade. Psychologically comforting, emotionally comforting. allows you to win the battle, but unfortunately you will lose the war if you continue a pattern of taking profits early. It's got nothing to do with this trade, right? It's that long-term pattern. Back on pause. "30 seconds left until 8:15. Sometimes on the quarter hour you get a little bit of movement. My hopes is that the movement will be down, but it may be up. We'll see. 15 seconds left. Here we go. You can see the countdown right there. Let's see if we can hit this target. And there it is, new candle, and nothing. Super sleepy this morning. The markets, I mean. Look at that. Just sitting there, doing nothing. NASDAQ pushing down. I'm watching it over here. See that? Just a little bit. I need the Dow to push down. Here we go. Patience. Talking to myself. No cigar. Can we get that push down? Let's see. Sometimes if you count, it makes a difference. 5, 4, 3, 2, ready for it? 1. Done. A little delayed. Get the idea. You get a feel for this after a while. Thanks for joining me, guys. Appreciate your patience. 18-minute video. My goodness. 30-point win. First trade of the day. Nice way to start the day. Thanks again for your support. Thanks for clicking the like button. And thanks for saying hi in the comments. Appreciate it. I'd like to get to meet you, at least digitally. And wishing you happy trading today and for the rest of the week. Take care. Bye-bye.